Welcome to the Project Manager Resume tutorial, where we will guide you on crafting a powerful and compelling resume that highlights your expertise and accomplishments in the field of project management. As a project manager, your resume must demonstrate your ability to lead and deliver successful projects while showcasing your unique skills and qualifications. In this tutorial, we will provide expert tips and insights to create a strong introduction that grabs the attention of hiring managers and sets you apart from other candidates. We will help you understand the essential components to include, such as a professional summary that succinctly showcases your experience, certifications, and key achievements. Furthermore, we will delve into the importance of tailoring your resume to the specific job requirements, emphasizing relevant skills, and showcasing your ability to manage budgets, timelines, and teams effectively. You will also learn how to present your experience in a clear and concise manner, using powerful action verbs and quantifiable results to demonstrate your impact. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a polished and impactful project manager resume that highlights your unique value proposition and maximizes your chances of landing your dream job in project management. So let's create a resume that leaves a lasting impression. And if these are the types of videos you would like to watch, then hit the subscribe button, like, and press on the bell icon to never miss on further content.
Resume has never been easier. With a few simple tweaks on your resume, you can be shortlisted as we speak. See, a resume is just another draft that explains who you are and what's your caliber. So avoid adding unwanted information to your resume. It will just complicate the process of understanding who you are. This approach works not just for project management but also for other roles. But today, we are focusing on project manager's resume. So, we get started on the groundwork before drafting the resume. Eventually, we'll focus on the essential pointers and then have a comprehensive resume ready to boost your LinkedIn profile. We will go through 7 sections. Each and every section will explain you what to do and what not to do in your project manager resume. So let's get started with the first one. So the first section is about understanding the role of a project manager. Briefly understand the responsibilities and critical skills required for a project manager. If you're an experienced candidate, try learning the roles and responsibilities of the project manager post you're applying for. Every interview mail comes with a job description. Try aligning your current experience with the job description so the hiring manager feels you're a better fit for the vacancy. In case you are an inexperienced and also a candidate with no proper internships, then I'd recommend you to focus on working around portfolio to highlight your learnings. Also, highlight any project management certifications such as PMP on your resume. They can enhance your resume. Proceeding ahead, we will focus on the structure to be followed to draft your resume, but before project manager's resume. The second section is about resume structure and formatting. So, every resume should start with the following: candidate information, professional summary, skills, that is your soft skills, technical skills, and business skills, then work experience, education, achievements, professional associations, and references. Everything mentioned before is common in every resume. The critical pointers to focus on is experience part. Here, include experience in the first place, in case if you're an experienced candidate. But in case if you're a fresher, include your latest internships first. In case if you have no prior experience or any internships done, include your project portfolio first. This would highlight your caliber in a better way. And know how to represent your experience. There is a difference between I worked closely with the business teams and had a better understanding of business process and worked closely with the business leaders and improved sales by 10% month on month. Emphasize the importance of clear and professional format using headings, bullet points, white spaces, and also try to include numbers to define your progress. Now proceeding ahead, we have the section 3, which is about crafting a compelling professional summary or career objective. Write a concise statement highlighting your experience, skills, and career goals as a project manager. Tailor it to match the specific position or industry you're targeting. Explain the purpose of the professional summary or objective statement. Provide details of your objectives and your long-term goals. Now, proceeding ahead, we have the fourth section. The fourth section is about showcasing your relevancy and skills. Include a dedicated skills section that showcases your project management competencies. This may include skills such as project planning, budgeting, risk management, team leadership, communication, problem solving, and software proficiency. Example, any of the project management tools such as Jira, etc. Now, discuss the critical project management skills that employers are looking for. Right? This will emphasize and improve your resume such that it is tailor-made for that particular role and job. Now, moving ahead, we have the fifth section that discusses about highlighting work experience and achievements. List your previous job positions chronologically, starting with the most recent one. Include the company name, job title, employment dates, and a brief description of your accomplishments and responsibilities. Focus on highlighting your project management experience, such as successful project completions, adherence to budgets and timelines, team management, and stakeholder communication. Discuss the significance of showcasing your relevant work experience as a project manager. Now, in the sixth section, we have education, certification, and technical skills. Explain in a better way about your educational background, certifications, and the training you procured. Discuss your technical skills, project management skills, and relevant software and the agile methodologies that you are acquainted with. Now, moving into the last section of today's discussion, which is about finalizing and fine-tuning your resume. Right? So, we have discussed about the following things. That is, understanding the role of a project manager and the company you're working for, and align your skills and experience accordingly so that you are the better fit. Next section was about resume structure. So your resume should have the contact information first, then the professional summary, followed by that your skills which are relevant to the job you're applying for, and your work experience, followed by that education achievements and professional associations, and finally references from your previous organizations, right? And followed by that, the next section will discuss about creating a compelling professional career objective, which will be in the first place, and followed by that, showcasing your relevant skills. The skills should include your project management capabilities, your leadership capabilities, and your ability to communicate about problem solving with your stakeholders. And next will be highlighting your work experience and achievement. And lastly, the sixth section is about your education and technical or professional certifications. So all these should be in a segment by segment added onto your resume, and once everything is drafted onto your resume, make sure that is finalized and fine-tuning is done properly. Proofreading your resume for grammar, spelling, and formatting errors. This avoids major misconceptions during your upcoming interview. Provide a resume that is easy to read and easily understandable and not complicated. Remember to tailor your resume to the job you're applying for, focusing on the skills, experiences, and achievements that align with the position's requirements. Use action verbs, quantify your accomplishments, and ensure your resume is clear, concise, and error-free. And with that, we have come to an end of this session on Project Manager Resume. If you have any queries regarding any of the topics discussed in this session, or should you feel that a draft of a project manager's resume should be beneficial, then please do let us know in the comment section below, and our team of experts will be happy to resolve all your queries and also share any of the drafts that you require from our end. And until next time, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.